In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a loan EMI calculator in Microsoft Excel. If you want a quick and reliable way to calculate monthly loan payments, Excel makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, we'll use a built-in formula to calculate the EMI, which stands for Equated Monthly Installment. This is the fixed amount you pay each month toward a loan, including both principal and interest. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and make sure your loan details are already entered into the correct cells. In this example, cell A2 contains the loan amount, cell B2 contains the annual interest rate, and cell C2 contains the loan term in years. It's important that these values are placed exactly in those cells, because the formula we're about to use depends on those references. Now go to the cell where you want the monthly EMI result to appear. This can be any empty cell in your worksheet where you'd like to display the payment amount. Click into that cell and prepare to enter the formula. Type the following formula exactly as shown: equals PMT open parenthesis B2 divided by 12, comma C2 multiplied by 12, comma minus A2, then close parenthesis. After typing it in, press enter. Here's what that formula is doing. The PMT function in Excel calculates the periodic payment for a loan. Since the interest rate in B2 is an annual rate, dividing it by 12 converts it into a monthly rate. Since the loan term in C2 is given in years, multiplying it by 12 converts it into the total number of monthly payments. The negative sign before A2 is used, so the final result appears as a positive payment amount, which is generally easier to read. Once you press enter, Excel will instantly calculate the monthly EMI for the loan based on the values you entered. This gives you a fast and accurate way to estimate monthly payments without doing the math manually. As a helpful tip, make sure your interest rate is entered in the correct format. For example, if the annual rate is 8%, enter it as or point depending on how your worksheet is formatted. Also, formatting the result cell as currency can make the EMI easier to understand at a glance. That's it. With just one formula, you can create a simple loan EMI calculator in Microsoft Excel and quickly calculate monthly payments whenever your loan details change.